Welcome to the amazing world of wildlife. Today, we'll explore a special meal of the garter snake, a beautiful and powerful creature. Are you curious to know what snakes eat? Garter snakes are master hunters. Look at how it approaches the frog. Every movement is swift and precise. The little frog tries to struggle, but the snake has a firm grip on it. The snake's teeth are sharp and powerful. It can swallow prey larger than its own head. The snake's body has the ability to contract powerfully, making it easy to push prey into its belly. This sight is truly astonishing. It shows the perfection of nature. The garter snake doesn't swallow the frog only by the strength of its jaws, but also uses the contracting power of its entire body to perform this process. The garter snake is very patient. It won't give up until it swallows the prey. This is a great example of perseverance in nature. The garter snake has finished its meal. It will find a hiding place to digest the prey. In the wild, every animal plays an important role in the balance of the ecosystem. We've explored a special meal of the garter snake. Remember, nature is always full of mysteries and wonders waiting for us to discover.